This client was dealing with her horse being disrespectful, and she was not able to get him to move out of her way to the right. You notice her hand is very close to him, and instead of turning right as I suggested, she turns left. That's what most people do. So we want to look straight ahead and then suggest with the butt end of the whip, suggest twice before we touch the horse's shoulder. But here she's poking him. Her body language is incorrect. Here I have a lot of room between. He's going to get very indignant when I hit him in the chest, in the shoulder rather, followed by a tap in the fanny, because he goes, "Who are you to make me get over?" But once he realizes that I ask and tell, just like a horse would, he decides maybe he should yield. I don't ever lie to horses. I'm only going left here so I can turn right and keep him on the road. Horse getting out of your space makes him much more respectful. So plenty of room, suggest, and he does very good there. And then you have a nice horse on a loose line.